With the old parking lot completely cleared and most of the debris removal complete from the main area, cleanup at the old Victor Mill site in Greer shifted to building demolition on Wednesday. Since closing more than a decade ago, the 21-acre site was stripped of valuable metals and burned, and was left for years in poor condition, with weeds and piles of debris littering the site. With State Representative Harold Mitchell and Spartanburg County Councilwoman Jane Hall watching, a track excavator was assembled on site Wednesday and began knocking down the first of the remaining brick structures. Mitchell said work will continue for several weeks until the entire area is cleaned out. Efforts were being made to keep down the dust and debris so it wouldn't get into adjoining neighborhoods, Mitchell said.